Okay, another radio for sale. We have a Yaesu FT-7100, and also this one I ran in my vehicle for a good 2 weeks, just testing it out, and it's a pretty good radio. It's not too bad. It is a dual band, so it does 2 meter, 70 centimeter, and it's kind of a dual VFO where you can set one channel down here that you can always listen to with this volume and squelch, and then this one here you can control all your regular frequencies or set this to scan and transmit on this one. So that's very convenient because I love radios with dual VFO, so I can monitor 2 channels at once. That's kind of a must for me for a mobile radio, and this did the trick. This one was a repair. I replaced one of these dual concentric knobs here because one was all broken, bent up, and it wasn't working, so I repaired that, and I put in white LEDs because this had the old style kind of amber, nasty looking incandescence, and this looks really good, and it's not too bright. There's multiple dim settings that all work with the LEDs, and looks really good at night, and you can brighten it up real nice in the day if you want to. Yeah, what else to say about this thing? It's a great little radio. It comes with a MH48 microphone. Let me just put it on my test frequency here, and let's give it a shot on the old Moto. Check, audio check, 39 watts on high power.
Check, audio check, 39 watts on high power.
Yeah, it's a great little radio. I had quite a few QSOs on it over the 2 weeks that it was in my car, and did not have any problems, so this one I'm ready to sell. And it has a detachable faceplate, and it's RJ11 6-pin, so easy cable to make on your own. The one it comes with is probably about this long, but super easy to make your own cable. That's how I was running it, which is this Cat 5e cable, and I just crimped my own ends on, and the microphone plugs in here. Yeah, great little radio. Alright, thanks for watching.